Now we're going to investigate angles in shapes. We're going to look at triangles, equilateral triangles, then squares, and then regular hexagons. So let's start with the triangles. Now, we're going to make a tiling pattern here made of equilateral triangles. So the way you're going to do this is take your ruler and very carefully draw lines through all the spots, the big spots on the dotty paper. And you're going to put the horizontal lines in, but you're also going to put in the diagonal lines like this. Make them go right to the edge of the dotty paper, just beyond where the big spots are. And you're going to put in the diagonal lines that go the other way, like this one, for example. And you'll see what happens then is that you get equilateral triangles where the lines cross. This thing in here is called an equilateral triangle. And an equilateral triangle has equal sides and equal angles. And you need to write in how many equal sides and how many equal angles. Underneath, this shows where 6 of the triangles meet at a point. It's just a part of the diagram. And the total angle around the point is always, you need to get this bit right, the total angle around the point always, let's see if I can get the right pen here, we'll make it a fine tip, 360 degrees. That's our total revolution. So all the way around is 360. Okay. From that, you can work out this angle and put that in here by doing a dividing sum. And then you can work out this angle because you can compare the two diagrams. And then on this angle, of course, you have to put in your lines because it says the interior angle of a triangle. So we're going to draw the lines in to make our triangle. So you need to do that as well with your ruler. Make sure it's done neatly. Mine wasn't done too well there. And then the same again on the last one over here. You're going to draw, make it better than that, draw your equilateral triangle in, okay? And there are some numbers to fill in, and what we're doing each time is we're trying to work out, first of all, one interior angle. The interior angle is the angle inside one corner, and then over here, the total of the interior angles, what it would be when you add them all together, okay? Same idea with the square. Make your tiling pattern in the same way, and again, look at where one point where 4 squares meet, work out the angle, work out the interior angle of the square, draw the square in the last one, and work out the total of the interior angles. And then finally the hexagons. When you come to do hexagons, be careful when you do your pattern. It's going to look like this. Oops, that's not very good. Try again. I'll move the page down so I don't make a mess. There we go, line like that. Then we put the line that way, and then we go round that way to make one hexagon. So maybe do the hexagons one at a time. It doesn't have straight lines going all the way across here because now we go this way and this way. Don't put a line across here because that's wrong. Okay. Again, fill in how many equal sides and equal angles it has. A regular hexagon has all its angles and sides the same. And then here again, we've got to look at the angles round a point and the interior angles of the hexagon. Have some fun.